Okay, hello and welcome to my channel. This is Lisa's Crafts. I'm your host, Lisa. This is going to be a crochet with me. I'm going to do that more on Sundays. Then again, we might do other stuff. Not entirely sure, but you can now hear me because I got my microphone working. I had to tinker with some stuff in my computer. It turns out that the other microphone that the computer is going off of was not working properly. So, and I do have one and I thought it was it, but it wasn't. I had it not on that one, but it's working now. So it'll be easier to hear what I'm saying. I apologize for the sound on the other videos. Um, but now that I got it working, it's going to be better. So, and in a second here, we're going to crochet. I'm still working on my chickens. Um, I guess we're going to do a little bit more on them today. Well, anyway, I hope you guys are having a good week. Um, well, or had a good week. I hope that your coming week here is going to be good too. I do a lot of crocheting on this channel. Um, if you like that sort of thing, or if you like crafts in general, please subscribe to my channel. Hit like. I love to hear from you, so don't be afraid to leave comments. I do read them all, so if you left some in the past or always happy to share my crafts with other people. I mean, I like doing that. I like crocheting and stuff like that. I also have an Etsy, and I have quite a few things up there already. Don't be afraid to go over there and look. Can always use the views. um, I gotta probably start putting up some of my old stuff too. I have some other things I used to do. I still do. So I'm working on my chickens. Getting farther on them. I'm hoping to have the sets up this week sometime. So it's a little bit warmer but windy today. I hope you're enjoying this fall weather. I really don't have a favorite season. I guess I like all the seasons, I guess. I mean, they're all lovely. Oop, I gotta decrease this row and forgot I needed to do that. Having a moment. most of these done today. Doesn't mean I'm going to, but some days I get more work done than others. Well, I get my housework done. Sometimes I neglect my crocheting part. Because I get busy doing other things. Always stuff to do around here. Could do the magic circle with this, but I don't like how it looks. But you can tighten it with the same effect as long as you throw your tail in, and then you can tighten it. Oops. I am like screwing up today. All right. No, I think I got it going right. just glad I got this microphone working. I was having a moment, I guess. Oops. Everything's sliding off my lap. That's what I get for wearing pajama pants. It's Sunday. got my pumpkins up on Etsy, and I got the shrug, and I got the fingerless gloves also up on Etsy. And the skinny scarves I've got them up too now. So now I just got to work on getting my purses up and some other things. I got to work on doll clothes too. I want to start working on that too. But right now it's chickens. Hopefully I'll finish those today. Or at least get them to the point where I just have to sew the parts on and make their little faces or whatever. Before I gotta start getting other things around here done too. I gotta get some of our equipment put away and gotta straighten up the garage, and I gotta go get hay from the neighbor. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. He's given us some hay he's got. So I can feed my rabbits for the winter. I only have like 2 rabbits, but that one she can put quite a bit away. I have to let you go, and I will be seeing you later.